Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up HTTP injector with UDP hysteria settings to create a secure and fast VPN connection. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Install HTTP injector. Open the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Search for HTTP injector. Download and install the app. This app is available on both Android and iPhone, so the steps will be similar for both platforms. Step 2. Launch HTTP injector. Launch the HTTP injector app after it's installed. Step 3. Obtain UDP hysteria server details. Open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and search for SSH SSL tunnel. Go to the official SSH SSL tunnel website. Find the menu, usually 3 horizontal lines, and select UDP hysteria. Fill in a username and password of your choice. Make sure to remember these. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a bot. Tap the Create Server button. Copy the generated server details. You'll need them for the next steps. Step 4. Configure HTTP injector with hysteria settings. Go back to the HTTP injector app. Find and open the protocol type section. This might be in Settings or Connection Options. Select hysteria from the list of protocols. Tap Save to confirm your selection. Tap the gear icon to open the general settings for HTTP injector. Find and open the hysteria settings. Choose the appropriate version, V1, V2, or slow UDP, based on what's compatible with your server. If you're not sure, you can try each one to see which works best. Tap the plus symbol icon to add a new server configuration. Paste the server details you copied from SSH SSL tunnel into the appropriate fields, like server address and port. Step 5. Connect to the VPN. Return to the main screen of HTTP injector. Tap the Start button to connect to the VPN. Wait for the app to establish the connection. Once connected, your internet traffic will be securely tunneled through the SSH SSL server using the hysteria protocol. And that's it. You've successfully set up HTTP injector with UDP hysteria settings. This setup can provide a more stable and faster connection, especially in areas with network issues. If you have any questions or run into problems, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.